from Adventure Island. Welcome to Aulani. Today we are going to share with you a detailed tour of what it's like to book a 2-bedroom villa with an island view at Aulani. Our villa is actually over here in the Iwa Tower, so we're going to head inside and give you guys a detailed look at what that room looks like. Let's talk about the actual sleeping arrangements, the rooms here at Aulani. There are actually several different types of rooms that you can book. They have just normal standard hotel rooms. They do have bigger suites like this room, which we rented, and I'm going to give you a tour of this room. But before I give you a tour of this awesome room that we rented for our family vacation, I just want to let you know that there are actually several different ways that you can book rooms here at Aulani. And when you book your room, you basically choose the size of the room that you want. Do you want a regular hotel room? Do you want a 2-bedroom suite? Do you want a 3-bedroom suite? And with that, you also choose your view. Do you want an ocean view? Do you want a pool view? Do you want an island view? And all of those things are going to go into how much a room costs. And not only is it how much does a room cost, but there are also different ways to book these rooms. You do not have to book these rooms directly through Disney. Now you can book these rooms at Aulani directly through the Disney website, or you can book through a third party like a travel agency. I usually use Getaway Today, or you can sometimes even buy DVC points from Disney Vacation Club owners who basically are part of Disney's timeshare, and you can buy their points from them to rent a room like this, and you can save a little bit of money doing it that way. So the room that we rented ourselves is a 2-bedroom villa with an island view. So I'm going to show you guys from start to finish what that means. It'll take a couple minutes to show you guys this room and the details about it because this is a very big room here at Aulani. We are in room 181 in the Iwa Tower. This is the tower that is on the left side of the pool if you are looking at the ocean. So when you first walk into Aulani, if you look to the left, you'll find the Iwa Tower. When you first walk into this 2-bedroom villa, we are in room 181. You're gonna see that artwork that I first showed you, some really beautiful Hawaiian artwork, and then there's a bathroom right away to your right-hand side. So here's a bathroom, has a nice mirror, a vanity, a toilet, and then next to that is going to be a pretty large kitchen. It has a full-size fridge, a microwave, an oven, sink, coffee maker, even a rice cooker. There's a lot of amenities here in this room. There's also a dishwasher, an ice bucket. This is definitely for people who are going to be staying here for a little bit. Also, right off of the kitchen, you have one of the best things to have in a hotel room, especially if you have kids, and that is a washer and dryer. Not all rooms come with this, but most of the Disney Vacation Club suites or villas do come with washers and dryers. And then now here in the living room, 3 people can actually sleep here in the living room. This couch is a pullout that can sleep 2, and this chair is also a pullout that can sleep an additional person. There's also some cool Mickey details, like Mickey surfing here in the lamp. So I love it when Disney gives you those details. And then in here, there's also a dresser for the people who are sleeping in the living room. And there's also their own closet and a laundry basket. Now there are 2 different bedrooms in this 2-bedroom suite. One has 2 queen-size beds. That's this bedroom. We'll talk about this bedroom first, bedroom number 1, and we'll take a look at our view in just a minute. So bedroom number 1 does have a mirror, a very cool Mickey with a surfboard and a ukulele lamp. And it is a very spacious room. Also has their own dresser. And over here, some really cool Hawaiian style artwork. Really great theming in these rooms in the Disney Vacation Club Tower. And then over here, there is a full-size mirror, another closet with luggage racks, and then a really nice bathroom. This bathroom has a shower that is separate from the toilet area, so multiple people can be getting ready in the morning. It also has a really nice vanity, sink, and another large mirror. And then over here is the separate bathroom area, some more cool Hawaiian style artwork. And there's even some extra hooks here to hang your towels or your wet bathing suits. Now let's take a look at the 3rd bedroom. Sorry, the 2nd bedroom, but the 3rd place that people will sleep. And that is in here where there's actually a king-size bed. And in here they actually decorated the bed with a cute Mickey who has a flower. And then this room is pretty extraordinary, especially when you see the bathroom. So it's kind of set up like the first room I showed you. It also has a big mirror. It has the cool Mickey surfboard ukulele. Has some more beautiful Hawaiian theming. But now let's take a look. It also has its own dresser here. But now let's take a look at this incredible bathroom that's in the master. So this bathroom is like a whole nother room. So you walk in first here, and the closet for this room is actually in the bathroom area. So there is a very large closet in here, along with a pack and play if you need it, and another luggage rack. And then over here, there is a separate door to the toilet. So again, that is separated out from the rest of the bathroom, so multiple people can be getting ready at the same time. And then over here, there is a large, beautiful shower. Beautiful rock work on the inside of the shower and granite. And some Miley body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Then there is another large mirror, another large vanity and sink, and some extra towels. And then here, this is a separate bathtub that also has the same kind of beautiful rock work that the shower has. But it also has this door that can actually be opened or closed, so you can decide whether or not you want to see out into that king size bedroom. Now, we picked an island view, and we are on the first floor, which I'm actually not generally a huge fan of. I do wish we were up a little bit higher, but I am pretty excited about this particular view. So both of our bedrooms, both the king size and the queen size, actually have their own separate patios. So we're gonna go outside. There's lots of locks here too, so you're pretty safe when it comes to like making sure that your kids are not gonna come out. You actually have to unlock 3 different locks to open this door. And then, let me make sure it's all the way open. This is actually where the luau is. So you can actually hear the luau performers each night from your patio. I'll walk out here a bit just to show you that that was our first patio. But over here, there's like a triangle formation of rocks. And these are both our patios. This is the king size patio, and this is the queen size patio. And you can get to this second patio from both the living room area and the queen size bedroom. That's it for our 2-bedroom villa tour. We are very excited to be staying in this room for the next few nights. And if you're not already, make sure to like and subscribe here at our page, Adventure Isle, where we have lots of details and information about what it's like to stay at Aulani and some tips for your next stay. We'll see you guys next time.